Everybody, it is Ruthie Rocks. I was talking to John and I forgot to put my earphones on. There we go. Happy Wisdom Day, Wednesday. Lots of people going to classes, I see. Why? Because, we are only selling 74 homes a day. That is, I predicted it would go up to 80, but it didn't. So I was not correct. In October, we sold, can you believe this? 1,000. Oh, no, the number's wrong. We sold 2,307. That didn't get changed. I'll fix that, which was 74 per day. Let me make sure. 2,307. 76 a day. I'll fix that. Yeah, 76 a day. And we listed, yesterday, we listed 109 homes, and 42 of those happened to be at the new price of $450,000. It looks like the wrong thing came up today. Yes. Okay. We'll go get it. What happens when you get in a hurry? Hurry. Let me do this. Let me put this up and hide this one. There we go. Okay. Yes, here we go. Yeah, we are selling 74 homes a day, 2,307 sales in October this year. And look at last year, everybody. We sold 4,023 homes per day. Wow. That was 130 sales a day. That means 260 agents were getting paid per day. And this month, only 148 were getting paid per day. So, yeah, everybody's adjusting. We only listed, 114 homes yesterday, but 34 of those were under the new median price. Everybody is $445. So that's 37% of the market that are under $445,000. That's of the 9,553 total available properties in Las Vegas. 2,798 of them are single family homes, 445 and under, 445,000 and under. So the market is changing. However, the $1 million market is holding strong at 4.61 sales per day. Last year, it ended up being 4.58 per day. So that market is still percolating out there. There's 938 million plus homes available right now. And that's down a little bit. We were up as much as 1,000 something a few months ago, but now we're down a little bit in that inventory.